One of the 3 key priorities for the Police and Crime Commissioner in Dyfed-Powys is that our justice system is more effective. We are committed to working with partners, communities and victims to improve confidence in their criminal justice system. Why is this important? The Police and Crime Commissioner is statutorily required to work closely with partners to influence an efficient and effective criminal justice system for our police area. Better and swifter criminal investigations will lead to more successful criminal justice outcomes, particularly relating to violence against women and girls. How? Reductions in the backlogs in the criminal justice system. Independent scrutiny to address disproportionality. Innovation to improve victims' experiences. Reduction in the number of first-time offenders. Less female offenders receiving custodial sentences. Reduction in reoffending, and a restorative approach being routinely offered in addition to any formal outcome to victims. What will this mean for us? Better and swifter criminal investigations. More successful outcomes, particularly relating to violence against women and girls. Children's vulnerability is recognised, whether they are victims or perpetrators. Reduced reoffending through targeted intervention and prevention. And ultimately, improved public trust and confidence in the criminal justice system. For more information on the Police and Crime Commissioner's vision and priorities for Dyfed-Powys, download the Police and Crime Plan from our website.